Welcome to Black Sisters Birth Academy's Tools of the Trade, Episode 3, Fetal Doppler. So the question is, what is a fetal Doppler? Now that's an excellent question. A fetal Doppler is a handheld device that uses ultrasound technology to find and listen to the baby's heartbeat during pregnancy. Here's how to use it. First, you place your hands on the mother's belly to find the baby's back. Then you put some ultrasound gel on the Doppler probe and place the probe right back on the baby's back. And finally, you locate and hear the baby's heartbeat, and that is that. And that's a wrap for today's Tools of the Trade. If you enjoy the educational videos that we provide here at Black Sisters Birth Academy, then give us a like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell to be informed when our next episode arrives. And remember, birth is what we do. Bye-bye.